Aarti Skins launches Vital Insights Longevity Lab in Bangalore, accelerating its India-first wellness and performance expansion. Aarti Skins and Labs, India's largest integrated diagnostics network, has announced the launch of its pioneering longevity and performance lab, Vital Insights, at its Jayanagar Center in Bangalore. This marks the brand's next national milestone in redefining preventive health and human performance assessment. The new facility was inaugurated by Basu Shankar, head strength and conditioning coach of Royal Challengers Bangalore and founder of Primal Patterns, alongside Dr. Aarti Prasanna, Chief Radiologist and Director, Dr. Prasanna Vignesh, Radiologist and Director, and Dr. Arunkumar Govindarajan, Radiologist and Director. A new era in preventive health and performance science. Vital Insights is designed for individuals who want to go beyond routine health checkups. The lab evaluates the human body across 3 core dimensions. Using advanced technologies such as full-body MRI, DEXA scans, WOMAX testing, comprehensive biomarker analysis, strength assessments, and balanced performance metrics, the center provides a 360-degree understanding of how the body works, performs, and adapts. Introducing Vital Apex, a signature full-spectrum evaluation. One of the highlights of the launch was Vital Apex, the center's flagship assessment program. It integrates. Speaking at the launch, Dr. Prasanna Vignesh said, Aarti Skins was founded to make diagnostics accessible for every Indian. With Vital Insights, we take the next step, from detecting disease to unlocking human potential and longevity.
For a nice podcast. I think let's all say kudos to Aarti Scan. Usually we go to the scan center after we fall ill or we fall sick and doctor says, go do the scan, go do that scan. They are coming before. I think the 4 things which doctor explained is critical for everyone, right from a normal person to an Olympic athlete. So,
for attending the launch of this Vital Insights program in Bangalore. This is our second launch, and this basically focuses on longevity 3.4. Here we do 4 tests. One is the VO2 max, which is basically your cardiorespiratory fitness, and then the DEXA scan, which measures your bone strength as well as your visceral fat. Then we do a strength test, which is a grip test, which measures your upper body strength, and then a stability test where you are asked to jump on a board, which basically measures your lower body strength. We combine this with blood reports as well as a whole body MRI to give a comprehensive package of what you are and what you will be in the future. Basically, it is the idea of this Vital Insights is just to add life to your years. Everybody is preparing for their last decade of their lives. In the last decade, that is their 70s or 80s, people want to do 4 functions. One is they want to lift their grandchild off the floor. Number 2 is they want to get up from the toilet seat by themselves without any help. Number 3 is they want to go up the staircase by themselves 2 or 3 floors. And number 4 is if they go for shopping, they want to carry their own bags. So this Vital Insights and the tests we suggest, and then the treatment we suggest in terms of exercise or the zone 2 testing or the zone 2 cardio will help you achieve these goals. Thank you. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Aarti Govindarajan. I'm a radiologist and executive director. So as we started our Aarti Scans and Labs around 35 years back, we started in a small place called Village in Tamil Nadu, and now we have 75 branches across India, including all the 12 states. Similarly, so we made all the routine diagnostic procedures like lab tests, X-ray, ultrasound, CT and MRI available to a common public across India. Similarly, this new vertical Vital Insights also we want to launch in all the states across India, like we have in Tamil Nadu and Bangalore, Chennai and Bangalore now. We want to start in Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, Kolkata and Mumbai as well. So we want also these high-end tests at a affordable cost, offer at a affordable cost across India to all the common public people. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.